Hey everyone, and welcome back. I'm Mr. Stoltz. So today is the day where I'm finally, and I'm gonna say again, finally unboxing one of my all-time favorite sneakers, one of my grails, one of my, it's just pure epicness. Here today we got the one and only, the Jordan 3 Black Cement. Take a look at the box. On the front, it reads Air Jordan 3 Retro OG, black, fire red, cement gray, and this shoe is most definitely fire. So let's take it out straight away. And already we can see the elephant print on the side. That's always a good thing. And oh my, this is so... This shoe right here is... I've wanted it for a very long time, and especially with this at the back, but I'll talk about that in a little bit. This shoe for me is one of the most cleanest, nicest, the best shoes. This is a winner. In my opinion, this is a winner, and I like everything about it. So let's start talking about it straight away. I just want to get this out so I can really feel it and press all the leather and everything. So here we go. Toe box, tumble leather, all black, elephant print around it. This light gray and then darker gray as well. Oh, it smells so good. I love it. You guys probably love it as well. Moving up, we have a gray cement tongue with an embroidered red Jumpman logo at the top. We have red eyelets and flat black laces. I'm just astounded by how good it looks. Like, this is one of my all-time favorite Jordans of all time. If you could compare this one to the other one, where would this one stack up against the other shoes that you like? Which one would beat this one? Leave a comment down below. So, flat black laces, and then looking at the side, the majority of the upper is this tumble leather, which first of all looks really, really well. And the quality on this one, I have to say, is better than a lot of the other models in the recent time. In my opinion, it is super, super soft. It is a bit squishy. It is really, really nice. I like it. It looks really, really good. And then you have the mid panel right here in typical black leather that goes all the way around it. It is a little bit stiffer, but at the same time, it's gonna add a little bit more support to the mid part of the shoe itself. And one thing here, the eyelets are, first of all, we have the red eyelets right here, and then on top we have thick plastic eyelets, and then with gray color underneath it. Same on the inner part of the shoe, looks really, really good. White midsole, black around it, and probably one of the things back in '88, I believe. The thing that made this shoe so popular, air sole unit. It was ahead of its time. It started to compete with other companies. We have never seen this before. So this is a cool thing that we still see today, and I still love it. But this is one of the things that really set Nike apart from all the other competitors. It's such a clean shoe. Oh my God. This is probably one of the shoes that I have to rock and stock. The same thing with my infrared Air Max 90s. I have more than one because I have one beater. I beat it up, and then I have more remaining in case that one breaks up. Maybe I have to go and buy more of this one. If you still want this one, you can probably go out and get it. Maybe, first of all, Nike said that the stock level is going to be limited, but I didn't feel that was limited. Like, everyone that I knew that wanted one got one way or the other, and there's still ways of getting. Like, I still see that it's at Foot Locker. So if you want to get it, just go online. They have all the sizes. I checked yesterday, so if you want one, go ahead and grab one. Of course you want one. Look at it. Okay, so looking at the back, this is probably the part that is one of the main reasons why. First of all, I love all of this, but I'm not a big fan of the Jumpman at the back. Same thing with my Cement 4s. I love the Nike Air. That's the way it's supposed to look like. It's all black, and then we have the Nike Air with the swoosh logo in white in the middle. The continuation of the cement, and then black and then gray at the bottom. Love it. So if we're looking at the inside of the shoe, first of all, at the back side of the tongue, we have the information label. I got on a size 11, and when I'm talking about the size, excuse me, I will go through the size on this shoe. For me, it fits perfect. It's almost a little bit too perfect because it is, my toe is not all the way to the front, but if I was gonna go half a size down, it would be too small. If I was supposed to go half a size up, it would be a little bit too loose. So a true to size is super, super perfect on this shoe. So the back of the tongue, this red, really nice color, and then gray cement all the way around. And what I like about the threes is they're really padded at their entire back part of the foot. Feels so good. Inner sock liner is all red with a black Nike Air logo. And that is about it. Taking a look underneath the shoe, we have the classic Jordan 3 outsole. Nike in red at the back, gray, red at the forefoot, and then white in the midfoot. Such a classic shoe. Such a classic shoe. You know what? I can't wait. Let's throw this one on foot so you can see what it looks like. Oh, smells so good. I love it. What do you guys think about it on feet? I think it's one of the dopest shoes in my collection. I love it. The elephant print, the tumble leather, the regular leather right here that contrasts the tumble leather a bit. Nike Air at the back, of course. Everything, the silhouette, the color, the look, the model, the outsole, everything on this shoe makes it a winner. I love it. What do you guys think about this shoe? Is this a winner in your eyes? Yes? No? Leave a comment down below and let's discuss this shoe. Probably, in my opinion, one of the best drops of this year. I know this year we haven't really gone that far into the year, but it's probably gonna be one of my favorite shoes of the entire year. So that was it for my little short review. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, click right here to subscribe and click right here for more sneaker unboxing and sneaker related videos. So thank you guys for watching. Have an awesome weekend. I'll see you very soon again. Take care.